Ushaanza kurekodi.
Praise him, Jesus our blessed Redeemer. Sing all earth his wonderful love proclaim. Hail him, highest of angels in glory. Strength and honor give to his holy name. Like a shepherd, Jesus will guide his children. In his arms he carries them all day long. Praise him, tell of his excellent greatness. Praise him, ever in joyful song. Praise him, Jesus our blessed Redeemer. For us he suffered and bled and died. Our hope of eternal salvation.
Hata sisi tumesema Shon. Wamesema Shon.
Jesus who bore our sorrows, love unbounded, wonderful, deep and strong. Praise him, tell of his excellent greatness. Praise him, ever in joyful song. Praise him, Jesus our blessed Redeemer. He put us down to the sun and street. Jesus said, forever and ever. Crown him, prophet and priest and king. Christ is coming over the